Hello, loves. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. Today we are going to be working in our business section for social media. If you're interested, please stay a while. And if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel and click the bell twice to be notified when I upload videos. So let's get started. So today we're going to be working with the week of August 30th through September the 4th. Here are my templates already ready to go. And if you're interested where I got these templates from, I'll put the information in the description box below. So we're going to start with the left side sheet first, and we're going to get that set up. Before we do, here is my packet that I normally have before we get started, already prepared. The books that I pulled from are Sophisticated Florals, Memory Keeping, and the Letter Planner Words from Kellofaplan, Volume 4. So we're going to get right to it. It's going to work in this square here. I don't do that much decorating with my business planner, but I do pretty it up a little bit. So this section right here would be my video schedule. So I'll go ahead and write in some of it. And over here is my to-do. So we're going to take out our little prepared card here with our stickers on it. We're going to take this schedule sticker from Kellofaplan, and we're going to go ahead and apply that to the dashboard planner. So we're going to go ahead and put our August sticker on here. Well, before we do that, let's white out this box because we're not going to use the first box there. And then I'll write down my video schedule for Bree's Project Book and Ink on Paper. This box right here is for our YouTube and IG statistics. So we have two boxes we are going to put here. So we have our two boxes, one for YouTube and one for IG. And then I have these very small icons that I purchased from Stephanie Design Space on Etsy. I will also put her information in the description box below. But they're very small, so they don't get in the way. But they're big enough that I can see what they are without taking up too much space. And I love using these in my monthly calendar because they're just small enough. write in my numbers how I'm doing for that week. And now we're going to come down to the bottom page, and we're going to apply this little sticker that I created. And basically what it is my video task list. This task list keeps me on schedule when I'm uploading videos. Sometimes I forget certain steps, like creating cards or marketing on YouTube community page or on IG. On the opposite side of the task list, I list the videos scheduled for upload this week. Okay, so we're going to take our task sticker and we're going to put it on here. And like I said, this is my video task list. Each video I go through these little steps here to make sure that I have everything that I need to complete that video, from filming to marketing. And this is a great section down here because it lets me know what I've done with that video, and it's completely done and ready and uploaded, and I can cross it out. So I love having this section. It works very well. And right down here, each video will coincide with these steps. So we're going to put our task dots on here. So this is just for my Breeze project book videos, because my schedule for social media is on the other page. So this is just for BPB. So I think we're done with this page. So now we're going to go to the other page. Now this page is for my social media. I've already written social media up here and the schedule. So we're going to go ahead first, and we are going to number our dates on our boxes. So this Monday is the 30th. I'm hoping, let me check my calendar. Because sometimes I mess up. So, yep, Monday is the 30th. Okay. Can you believe it? We'll be looking at the end of August already. It's crazy. August went past so fast. This year is going past so fast. Pretty soon we'll be looking at the holidays, Thanksgiving and Christmas. I know many of you are like, oh no, Bree, don't even talk about Christmas or Thanksgiving. But those are my favorite holidays. I get prepared for Thanksgiving and Christmas way ahead of schedule. So it's 30, 31, 1, 2, 3, 4. So most of you saying, don't even talk about Christmas or Thanksgiving. You're trying to get through October to Halloween or what have you if you celebrate Halloween. So right here where it says social media schedule, and Monday through Sunday, this is the schedule that I follow when I post. So these right up here does not change. Okay, guys, I have all that written in. I hope I'm in the frame when I wrote that down so you can at least see. Okay, and now what we're going to do is put some more bullets on here. Each bullet represents an IG post and the topic for each day. At the moment, I'm only posting once a day, but that may increase in the coming month. not a fan of these transparent stickers. I mean, the color is so bright that it washes out. And so I'm trying to use them as much as possible so I can get rid of them. Okay, so we're going to white out these words and lines because we are using clear stickers and I don't want the lines to go through. You know, I should have used a large adhesive address label in this box to keep from using so much liquid paper. It's not too bad if you're using paper stickers, but transparent stickers, it doesn't cover liquid paper that well. And you can see the striations going across the page. So I need a large sticker for this space, and I'm thinking I'm going to use a quote sticker instead of another flower sticker. And this one right here would do well, but I have to do a little surgeries because it's too large. So I'm going to take away some of these leaves and use it another time. Okay, so we have our part of our sticker. I just wanted the words there, and we are going to finish up with some flowers on here. I'm gonna try this transparent sticker with the leaves on it, and we're gonna stick that on here somewhere that looks relatively nice. So I'm thinking this is the last piece of decor I'm going to add in this corner, and that would be it, guys. Mondays I do an IG post, and then up under here I will put the subject or the title of what that photo would be, and then on Tuesday it will be an IG post, and this will be a reel, and it goes back and forth and back and forth to make my Instagram post look more attractive. So that's how I do that. And I keep going back and forth until it's finished. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Okay, everyone, we are done. So this is what it looks like. This is how I set up my video schedule and my social media schedule. So over here we have the videos and the statistics, and over here we have the social media. This section here is for the schedule for the week, for the videos on Bree's project book. These is the to-dos that I normally list if I need to do anything to complete those videos. Down here are the statistics for YouTube and IG. Here is the video task schedule. I will list the videos for the week. And then over here I will list the task that I need to do to set up those videos, upload it, film it, you know, things of that nature, make tags and cards. And over here is my IG post. This is the actual schedule. It doesn't change. These are the schedule that I go by for each post that I do. And then here are the posts for the first, it's always the IG post. The second dots is usually something like a short, a YouTube short, or an IG short, or it could be the community page, or it could be later when I have a blog or a website that would go there, and those kind of things. So that's what that second dot is, or just in case I want to do a second IG post, I can. So this is my schedule for my vids and my IG posts. I hope you guys enjoy this. Got some ideas how you can set up your social media schedule, and I will see you on the next one. What you see? Don't forget to follow me, Breeze Project Book. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you would, please subscribe and click the bell twice, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget to search the video library for ideas, tips, and inspiration. And remember, a beautiful and organized home begins one project at a time. See you on the next one. Smooches!